Hey Pokemon fans, how's it going today? Wolfgang here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the X&Y Break Through sets. These are among the very newest booster packs that are out at the moment. So let's take a look. As always, I cut the back, makes it easier to pull them out. Alrighty. Some awesome cover art there on the front. So we'll start with this one right here. Alright, and first up we have Swinub, Mr. Mime, Pinsir, Starvia, Frogator, and you got a little Froakie in the background there. It's pretty cool. It's a nice picture. Panpour, Roan into the city. Vanillite. Pantsier. Pancham. A lot of Pams in this one. And Inkay. Alrighty. Next booster pack here. So you can get it open. There we go. Alrighty, and first up here we have Halancha, Primplup. It's pretty cute looking. Looks like he's in the frozen section of a store or something. Reversed Ticket, or Reserved Ticket. You got Japanese writing on there, that's pretty cool. Floaty, Axu, Woobat, Goldeen, Teddiursa, some kids in the background he's playing with, Scatterbug, and Bronzor is a nice shiny out of this booster pack. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.